Hey, it's Spence from LaunchFlows.com. Thanks to the launch of our new lifetime product bundle, we've had a lot of questions come in that are repeating themselves. One of which, the number one is, can I use LaunchFlows with my favorite page builder? And the answer is definitively yes. Although we love it when people use Elementor because we've added some custom widgets for design purposes, any page builder that honors WordPress shortcodes is fine. So Divi, Gutenberg itself, Beaver Builder, Oxygen, and so forth all work fine. Even the old school stuff like Visual Composer and stuff work fine. You just have to work out sometimes, your own styling of the shortcode blocks. Today, I want to give you a quick tip on how to get a great jump on customizing whatever you use LaunchFlows for. The plugin that is free is called Starter Templates, and this is just an example of one thing. There are literally hundreds of design components ready to use. What I like is this works with Elementor, Gutenberg, and Beaver, and it gives you a huge jumping point. Here's what I mean. Here's a website that is just essentially out of the box, blank WordPress with starter templates. I added it in, and it gives me all the components I need for the look and feel of the sales page, the order bumps, the upsell downsells, the thank you, the donation pages. I simply grab the thing I want to put, and I put it in place with a shortcode or a link. So let me give you an example. Here on the home page, I've used starter templates to create just a block at the top that is to buy this particular product that's talked about, right? I'll go ahead and show you what you need. You need the product, whichever it may be, and you're going to grab the product's direct to checkout link from LaunchFlows. So here with the product, let's say our product is a doggy product, right? I made some doggy stuff, and hopefully my sandbox will work fast today. So as we'll get to that page. So I have like doggy training course, doggy order bump, doggy upsell. Let's go here, and I'm going to grab the training course direct to checkout product. So for this is just an ordinary WooCommerce product, simple, virtual. I could have done a subscription product or whatever I wanted. LaunchFlows, I told it where it should go after you add it to the cart, and that's to an upsell page. I said, where should it go after you've purchased? This is a custom thank you. And of course, I've set the price of $50. Here in the right corner, upper right corner, is the direct to checkout link. That is the link that I just simply copy, and I go to my starter template page. I edit that page, and I will just put that into the button. That's it. I'm done. Now I've got a product that's custom made to go to wherever I want, but I didn't have to design anything, right? I just, using here, this is Gutenberg. I just edited a normal, in this case, button to add the particular direct to checkout link. So let me delete this one, paste it in place, and it lets me know where it's at, and I'm done. So instead of me spending hours of time trying to come up with clever designs, I just took the starter template and I modified it the way I want. Now I can do the same thing with like thank you pages, right? If I were to look at my other pages here, whether it's with Elementor or Gutenberg, I just pick from the starter template stuff and I put in the one that was useful to me. So let's look at our thank you page. Let's start out with the classic editor. Oh, actually, let's see if it's in. I did this one with Elementor. So we look at the layout. This was with the Elementor starter template page. I just customized it a little bit and put in the LaunchFlows thank you widget to display the content I wanted within the scope of the bigger design. So here you can kind of see I've got all the things that I might have otherwise gotten from the starter template. But up at the top, what I did is I dropped in the LaunchFlows thank you widget. Couldn't be any easier, and I'll show you how I did that. LaunchFlows thank you. I drop this in place, and it puts in the information. Here I can also modify it. Notice on the lower one, I added the title, your order, your order details. And just to show you that this works perfectly fine once I update, let's show how I would do a shortcode. So you can go to LaunchFlows.com documentation and either go right to the shortcodes, or you could go to the particular thing you want to do, like thank you. And at the bottom will be the shortcode I need. So if I scroll down here, I could just do thank you. And let's use that instead. Even if we're inside of Elementor, it doesn't make a difference. So I'll just use the shortcode. We're going to have 3 of these. And I'll paste that in place. I'll apply it. And you kind of saw it jump there. You get the same result. You're going to get the same output. My point being that all of the design is done for you with the starter template, and then you can customize and add other details as you wish. So you spend all of your time just essentially using pre-made stuff, getting there fast, and then the mechanics are handled by LaunchFlows. So I hope this helps you understand. Use your favorite builder, whether it's Native Classic or Gutenberg or Divi or Beaver Builder or Oxygen or Elementor. Have fun. I'll see you in the next video.